following message is transmitted at the request of the Richmond Police Department. Several eyewitnesses of a huge white smoke was last seen spreading across downtown Richmond. The cause of it is unknown, but many reports that an underground explosion from a few minutes ago was responsible for the smoke to appear. Do not inhale the smoke, as this smoke is extremely dangerous and would likely have severe symptoms within a few minutes. Symptoms include coughing, fever, chills, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, fatigue, sweating, abdominal pain, choking sensation, headaches, and pale skin. If you have made contact with the smoke, remain indoors immediately, as the symptoms are reported to have disappeared when indoors, and the symptoms will most likely appear when outdoors. Whatever you do, do not go outside by any means. This message will be repeated shortly.